Blessed Friday, everyone. It's June 14, 2024. Nabubulo. And it's a beautiful Friday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na dumating sa buhay natin as sa mga kasama nito mga pagsubok at challenges and trials which make our life wonderful, exciting, and challenging. Oh, yun. At siyempre doon sa mga taong tumulong sa atin at sa mga tao sa paligid natin na nakikimaritis lang din. Shoutout kay Glenda, kay Glenson, kay Pucci, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Flores, kay Mama Lu, Luis at Susen, Jordan and Judith Sasin ng Cagayan de Oro City, Francisco Rodriguez, kay Ma'am Leng and Ma'am Samjang, Jima David, Inde Araso, Amelia, Elizabeth Guevara, Heidi Villamero, Grichelle, Rachel Pastelero, and It's My Love. At siyempre kina CJ Almendras, Gilbert Ramirez, Marvin De Marcian, Walter Exolo Tanyare, B-Boy, and Fernando Dandoy ng Pagadian City. Ripples of the day natin po is a house that foster and harbor arguments, hate, and ruin is never a home that children will want to grow up in, and thus the family is always broken and separated in heart and spirit. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Friday, everyone.